Is it recording right now? Is this recording? Is this the first recording?
I love it.
Because it doesn't pop up in the corner. On the other ones, it would pop up in the corner and let you know. Oh, I see it. Get them, so you got to plug them in to charge them. But they look and they feel actually pretty comfortable. I feel like I can maybe pull these off in public. What do you think?
You definitely. There we are.
I wonder how good the stabilization is. That's maybe something that, yeah.
Oh, cool.
All right, now you're recording a 10-second video. Eat some food or something.
Sounds so good. So this is mine.
Yeah,
More
first versions
feminine.
too look really bad.
And these just came out. Yeah.
She's
กล้อง
loving
ถ่าย
that.
รูป
Yeah.
ถ่ายวิดีโอ
Yeah,
10 วิ
you seem to love these glasses. They're
Yeah,
cool though,
and the
actually.
third one,
Go.
I take it.
You don't need to have. Oh, you do need a Facebook account to download stuff on it. That's true. Maybe this is how they get you.
Try.
But yeah, you want to try them on?
You look good too.
My first experience with the glasses. They feel fine. They're light.
What you think about that catnip? It's the good stuff, huh?
This one. This one you can leave them.
Kale shot. Go for it.
Yeah, we saw. I've been on the metric system because I fly in Europe and other places too.
Yep.
Wow, that buzz.
Yeah, I know. It's let me make the clip come back real quick.
Thank you, though. Let's just hit the road. You ready for the U-turn?
Yeah.
Scary.
Race car driver. It's dangerous, babe.
I'm not dry. Look.
Okay. That's a good one. Got it.
Thank you.
Hey guys, how's it going? How's the low light? Yeah,
Yeah.
it's camera.
How do you click it?
You just push a button on it.
And where it saves on your phone?
Yeah, I can then